बनारसी प्योर हैंडलूम कतान सिल्क, सिल्क मार्क सर्टिफाइड, वीव्ड इन प्योर गोल्डन जरी. द ब्यूटीफुल साड़ी, शिकार का साड़ी. लुक all over साड़ी in jal pattern and this golden zari border. Blouse piece is plain with border always. बनारसी प्योर हैंडलूम कतान बाय कतान सिल्क, शिकारगा साड़ी, सिल्क मार्क सर्टिफाइड. You can see the beautiful motifs, animal motifs made on the sari. Orange by pink cross shade. You can see the shade is V by this. Orange by. And this is the pallu. This comes the look of the whole sari. बनारसी प्योर हैंडलूम कतान बाय कतान सिल्क, रानी बाय रेड क्रॉस शेड, very exclusive sari. The beautiful design of animals motifs which is called shikarga. That's the whole look of the sari with the beautiful pallu and blouse pieces plain with border, same border as the sari. Banarsi pure handloom katan by katan silk shikarga sari, premium exclusive wear. The beautiful design, the latest design. You see the beautiful weaving throughout the sari, Tilfi Meenakari it's called, silver gold and meena. This is the rich pallu and blouse piece is always plain with border. This is the whole look of the sari. Banarsi pure handloom katan by katan silk. This is red by rani cross shade. Looks very demanding combination. Beautiful multicolored animal motifs on the sari with the rich designer pallu and blouse pieces plain with border. You can see the border. This same border will come on the blouse, plain with border. It's the whole look of the sari. बनारसी प्योर हैंडलूम कतान बाय कतान सिल्क शिकारगा साड़ी, वेरी ब्यूटीफुल न्यू डिजाइन इन शिकारगा. The look of the sari, upper border, lower border, both are equal with the rich golden zari pallu. This comes the look of the sari, silk mark certificate. बनारसी प्योर हैंडलूम कतान बाय कतान सिल्क शिकारगा साड़ी with a very beautiful traditional border and jal pattern. The beautiful motifs, animal motifs throughout the sari. This is rich pallu and blouse piece is always plain with same border as the sari. It's the look. Banarsi pure handloom katan by katan silk, silk mark certified, meenakari figa sari, which is also called kata shikarga. Upper and lower, the both sides the same border, and with this designer pallu and blouse piece is always plain with border in these saris. You can see have a closer look of the sari. Banarsi pure handloom katan by katan silk shikarga sari, the beautiful sari with the animal motifs, upper and lower both sides the same border with the rich pallu and blouse piece is always plain with border. This is orange by pink cross shade. Banarsi pure handloom katan by katan silk, bright purple color, beautiful shikarga sari. The border you can see with the beautiful shikarga animal motifs, lining pattern, beautiful sari with the rich pallu, designer pallu and blouse piece is always plain with same border as the sari. बनारसी प्योर हैंडलूम कतान सिल्क शिकारगा साड़ी, सिल्क मार्क सर्टिफाइड. The beautiful motifs of animals are made. Upper and lower both sides the same border. Red by pink cross shade, the highest demandable color. It's the rich pallu and blouse pieces plain with border. बनारसी प्योर हैंडलूम कतान by कतान सिल्क शिकारगा साड़ी. You can see the beautiful border with the jal pattern weaving. Very exclusive sari. Upper and lower both sides the same border with the rich pallu and blouse piece is always plain with border in these sarees.